not the idea. That is not the idea. We're supposed to sit before we stand.
I'm just gonna go straight to standing.
Okay, come on. And do one more time. Come on. You're gonna sit. Come on. Oh, there you go. And then the legs pop out. And then the legs pop out. You should have stand on those legs, yeah. Oh, I know. Here, let's sit. That's a pretty ugly face.
Is that the face you want Grandma to see?
Say hi. Hi.
Okay, maybe we stop torturing baby.
What's that?
This is the box. Oh, there's the grumpy.
It's okay.
There's the grumpy.
It's okay.
Okay, we done.